Welcome to the infrared of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So as can you see, the AOD feature is turned off right now. Just to activate it, we should go into the settings application, and here click on the always on display and lock screen section. Here tap to the AOD, and just to activate the always on display feature, you should click here once on the switcher. Here we can also select the display the AOD by shadow to always, or just for 5 seconds after tapping on the screen will stay with the always here. Now just when we'll block the device, you can see here that the AOD feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.